All right. So now we're going to continue. So we did that server management. We need to install the data tools and the reporting services. So I'm going to go here to the reporting services here. Download SQL Server reporting services. And here is, okay, let me go back. Can I go back? No. Okay, so let me go back to my installer. So we're going to click here in the reportings. It doesn't, my screenshot doesn't work with when I have. So we're going to go here. Next step is, as I said, we don't have the reporting service in the package. You had to install them separately. So I just click in the install reporting service and brought me here. So let me see if it brought me here. So oh no, this is not it. Okay, let me go here, and if I click here, I get to this link. Right? And here in this link, I click here and brought me to this page. In this page, I'm going to select the language, see, and I'm going to click download, and it's downloading. So you can never, you know, go back here. So I'm going to install the reporting services. Since I have the 2017, what I'm going to do, in my case, if you don't have anything, you're going to install everything properly. I'm just going to upgrade for myself. The reporting service is very easy to install. You don't have to configure anything. You just download and install, and it's right there, added to your package. So it's kind of added to the package. So when you open your database, you'll see that you can do reporting services with it. As in, I know that is many steps to install this software, but that's the only way that we can have the software installed and available to do all of that features that we need. Okay, so reporting services here. I took a screenshot. Let's see. No, so I'm gonna take it works one time. It doesn't work in others. Okay, so go here. Then you're going to click reporting services. Reporting services. And then after that, you go to this page, click download. Install. So you go here, you click download, already downloaded here. And let's see my installation here. Restart required, so we're going to stop, and I'll go back after. All right, so our last step will be we install, let's go over it. So we install the server. We add all of that, we selected all of the resources that we need. Then here is the link. We selected 64-bit edition and we download it. Now the second part is to download the IDE, the user interface, so we can see our database. Here is the link. For this, we want the 2019. All right. Then here we go to this link and install the databases, the backup databases. Then we go to the reporting services. We go to this link, or you can click here, reporting services. I'd rather you to use the link so you can download the correct version. Thank you. And here we click in that reporting services, we install, we download, double click, very easy. Now, the last part is a little more complicated. So we don't want to go to the page and download just the 2022 because it still have bugs. So we want to use the 2019. Excuse me. So we're going to go to the downloads here. And once we go to the downloads, this is the page. We're going to click download. So you're going to have a Um, here, let me see. Downloads, because I downloaded yesterday. You're gonna have the data to integration here, the download, the regular Visual Studio setup. So we're gonna have to download that first, the Visual Studio software setup. So we're going to download this. And once we download it, right, we're going to, here, let me see, make this bigger. When you do the installation, you're going to select here the data storage and processing. So select data, SQL Server data tools, data storage and processing, show below. Okay, so after you do that, you install, you can open your software. So your software is going to take at least 20 minutes to get installed. So once you get installed, we're going to go. So let me open the software here for you guys. You're not going to be able to see the integration, analysis, and reporting yet because you had to add extensions. So I'm going to open my 2019 here. And you're going to get to this user interface window here. So you're going to select without code. It's going to open a plain here window, but doesn't have anything on it. Before you can use this, you have to go to extensions, manage extension. Actually, wait, extension, and there you go. So you're going to go to, there you go. So extensions, manage extensions, and here in your market Visual Studio Marketplace, you're going to type SSDT. And the SSDT is the tools that we need. So you need to download reporting services projects, SQL integration service project, analysis, SQL Server continued deployment. So all of this. So let me go and take a screenshot of this. So you need to actually download. I download this one, the BI2 tools too. Yes, that's it. So you need to download 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So here I'll paste it is here. All right. So you're going to this ones you just click and down. It says download. It's going to download it here. This SQL service integration service, you're going to download a zip file that you're going to execute. So once you click here, you click here in the reporting, it's going to be added to the platform. The analysis is going to be added to the platform. SQL service is going to be added to the platform, and the BI. The SQL service integration is going to do a download. So it's going to look this way. So the Microsoft Tool Integration Service, you're going to double click and install. That's all. That's the only thing you need to do. and then make sure that you restart after you finish restart your computer. And now that you have installed it, you're going to go to File, New, Project. And now in the project, if you type here, let's go one by one. Integration. You're going to see integration project, service project, integration import. So it's pretty much what we're going to do. Going to have to delete them. It's going to be in your default location, and I'm going to cancel this, but pretty much back. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. Now, so you have the integration, file, new project, and now let's go look for the analysis. Analysis. And the analysis is the analysis multi-dimensional and dataset mining project. And then I have it. I'm going to go back. I don't want to create because I have so empty ones, many empty ones. So it means that you have the services. And the last one is the reporting. So you're going to type report, reporting services. So there you go. Now you have the reporting services, so you have the three services that we need for this class. So use the handout and the video to help you to install. It'll take a little time, but you'll get it done. So take your time to do this and install in your computer. All right, so what happens if I have a Mac? Well, if you have a Mac, you're going to have to install a virtual box and then install Windows and that virtual box. There is many videos out there. I'll see if I can post one for you guys. And inside the virtual box, after you install that Windows 10 or Windows 11, then you're going to do all the process that you have here. All right?